Now, the country has its first ever portable quantum computer, giving students and researchers a chance to explore the future of computing. Mobile journalist Denise Valdesancho has the report.
The Philippines is now in its quantum era. Say hello to the country's first ever portable NMR quantum computer. Recently acquired by the Quantum Computing Society of the Philippines, the 2 qubits compact quantum system allows students and researchers to learn more about quantum mechanics.
There are some computation na hindi kaya ng classical computer for trillions of years na kayang gawin ng quantum computer in just seconds or at most hours now.
The technology is expected to open new opportunities for research and innovation, with potential applications in fields like cybersecurity.
If the quantum computer that is powerful enough now and is fault tolerant enough already exists, then yung mga algorithms na ginagamit natin sa encryption will all be broken.
Quantum technology is also being studied for practical applications, such as strengthening disaster risk management and improving power distribution to help reduce the risk of brownouts. The compact quantum computer is now with the QCSP to be primarily used for research and education, particularly in developing small-scale quantum algorithms. With this new era of computing, experts believe that the future of quantum technology lies in the hands of the youth.
Because of quantum computing, meron tayong another research frontier that we can take a look. No, it's not only important sa scientific community. No, we should not limit ourselves to that. No, di ba meron tayong reading, writing, arithmetic, di ba? Computing is like the fourth fundamental skill. No, kaya importante din na yung ating education on quantum technologies will not only be in the university but also up to the elementary.
Mobile journalist Denise Valdesancho. We are One News.
Before we move, malaking bagay itong quantum computer. Nabanggit nga ni Elmer sa akin, sa Ant-Man yun. Para for reference, kasi ang computers that we have now, pag nagkakaroon ng problem, nagta-troubleshoot siya mag-isa and then re-resolve yung issue. Sa quantum computer, bago pa lang mangyari ang isang problema, weeks before that, alam niyang may parating na problema. The computer will react and hindi na reactive, it takes measures na hindi na mangyari yun. Wow. So kung baga, parang kung manonood ka ng pelikula, parang si Skynet sa Terminator, yung iniisip niya na may nangyayari, malaking bagay yan yung quantum.
Malaking bagay, sabi nga nila. Pero dapat gamitin sa maayos.
Isipin mo, if 100 people have regular computers, as one person has quantum computer, naungusan mo silang
Easy
lahat.
life din yan, ano?
Nakakatakot. Pero let's see, for the benefit of the, the public, di ba?